So a bunch of these things are coiled up, little springs. We're just waiting for them to pop.
Forex Morning Mayhem is a must-listen podcast for currency traders. Get a curated watch list, insightful market analysis, and crucial news updates, plus trading tips for all levels. But remember, it's educational, not investment advice. Scan the QR code in the description to join our free Trade Faction Slack channel for live trade calls. If you like the podcast, please follow and share. Let's get started.
Good morning. It's August 15, 2025, and this is Forex Morning Mayhem. Let's see what's happening in the news today. Trump and Putin meet in Alaska today to discuss Ukraine, with Trump set to depart just under 7 hours later. European bourses and US futures are modestly higher. The dollar softens, yen leads, crude drifts lower, and gold firms ahead of the summit and Tier 1 US data releases. If you find this podcast useful, please like and subscribe to the show. If you are new to trading, check out the Trade Faction, a totally free resource where you can watch our trades live. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. Now let's join Bill and Dave for today's show.
Here, we'll do the scalps first. Here's Aussie US dollar. It is in a squeeze right at the moment. That's what this little cloud is around it. So this thing is setting up for a trade. Appears to be in a minor uptrend here, but we shall see as time progresses how that happens, how that works. Let me do this. US Canadian dollar also in a squeeze. So a bunch of these things are coiled up, little springs. We're just waiting for them to pop. US Swiss franc just started to squeeze here,
Nice.
as you can see. So we'll just wait for that one to progress. And finally, pound dollar. It's been in a squeeze for a while. It actually is firing off on the.
Are you an active trader looking to elevate your trading skills? We invite you to join the Trade Faction, a community where you can witness trades called out live. To connect with fellow traders and gain real-time insights, simply click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join our free Slack channel. This is a great opportunity to enhance your trading strategies and stay ahead of the market. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. So what are you waiting for? Click that link or scan the QR code now and download the app today.
Other signal you shall see here in a moment. All right,
Okay.
so now let's go to the swing trades. So if we look at the swing trades, Aussie US dollar, excuse me, is in an uptrend,
Gotcha.
delineated by this little orange triangle. What I did last night is, as we were talking at our little event yesterday, I had an idea on the way in. The idea is that it would be cool if I could identify when each of these started to synchronize. So right now, as you're looking at this particular instrument, the current time frame is the only one that's in a bullish trend, along with all of the appropriate filtering. The idea is you want all those things to sync. And then I want to know when the current trend in the 1 hour syncs. And then I want to know when the current trend 1 hour and 4 hours. And then I want to know when the current trend 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily sync, because that's the Bigfoot signal, right?
Gotcha.
So if we look at AUD USD, right now that puppy, all we have is a bullish trend, okay?
Gotcha.
If we look at US Canadian dollar, the only thing that's going on here is a bearish trend. If we look at USD Chief, same thing, only a bearish trend. So you can see that all of the different time frames have fired, synchronized, along with the indicators. So you get this little ice cream cone effect here. The big green triangle is the Bigfoot. The blue triangle would be these three, right? So that one went fired simultaneously, and then this is the trend alert. So as you can see, I'm actually in that trade. So we will see how that works out. And I have targeted about 18 pips to get there. And I've only been watching this for overnight. So I'm trying to see visually, it's obvious that these have a big effect. So if you look here, seems to have worked pretty well. Here and here, not so much. There's no clear pattern that like one time frame is better than another. So you just have to run with it and see. I think just good old risk management and make sure your losses are smaller than your wins, or your wins are bigger than your losses, whatever way you want to think about that. You should be okie dokie, right?
Yeah, one would assume.
So that's the plan, Stan.
All right.
And that is all I got.